Stop guessing if your TV, your shelves, or your desk is actually level. This tiny gadget is the secret to professional-grade precision in the palm of your hand. This is the Xuntop Digital Angle Finder. It's a waterproof, high-precision inclinometer that replaces your old, bulky bubble levels with a crisp, backlit digital display. It features a strong magnetic base that sticks to any metal surface, perfect for hands-free work. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, a woodworker, or just someone who wants their home decor to be perfect, this tool is a game changer. It's compact, USB, rechargeable, and incredibly accurate. It takes the frustration out of any home project. No more tilted frames, no more slanted shelves. Grab yours at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Prime Pick Studio for more tools that make life easier. Upgrade your precision today.